In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align text in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing your life, whether for work, study, or personal projects. Knowing how to center text can really enhance the visual appeal of your pages, giving them a professional and well-organized look. So, let's dive right into the process and walk you through it. First, you'll want to open up Notion on your preferred device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as Notion is primarily web-based. Once you have Notion open, navigate to the page where you want to center your text. If you haven't created a page yet, feel free to create a new one. Just click on the New Page option and you'll be ready to go. Now that you're on the page where you want to center your text, it's time to use a simple trick within Notion. On a new line, type // This will bring up a menu of available commands and blocks that you can use in Notion. In the search bar that appears, type the word equation. You will notice a list of options. From this list, the next step is to select block equation. This option will allow you to input text in a way that gets it centered across the page. After selecting block equation, you'll see that a math equation box appears ready for you to edit. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and type your text into this box. Now, an essential point to remember here is that surprisingly, spaces don't work in this context. So, instead of using the space bar, you're going to use the tilde symbol, which is that little squiggly line you see on the top left of most keyboards right above the tab key. The tilde helps mimic spaces, so your text appears correctly spaced out in the center. When you've finished typing your desired text with the tildes replacing spaces, you can confidently click the Done button to finalize the input. Your text should now appear neatly centered on the page, lending your Notion document an elegant layout that draws the eye naturally towards the content. And there you have it. Center aligning text in Notion may not be as straightforward as in a typical word processor, but with this method, you can achieve the look you want with just a few simple steps. Try experimenting with different text styles and lengths to see what works best for your layout. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!